This is the correct way to place a mat at the corner of the shower cubicle. Perfect! Spray a little perfume on a handful of rice to keep your closets and drawers smelling fragrant and fresh. Talcum powder is a simple and eco-friendly remedy to keep ants at bay. Sprinkle it near access points to keep them away. Mix white glue and acrylic paint to make some cute DIY window decorations. A creative touch of color for your home. Carefully heat up a screwdriver and pierce a plastic bottle lid. Insert a cotton swab. Then use 2 chopsticks to hold the bottle upside down. Slow and continuous watering, ideal for when you're away from home. How can you remove the smell of onions from your hands? Rub some salt between your fingers to absorb the odor. Then use lemon to scent and exfoliate your hands. To absorb moisture in the washing machine, put a bowl of salt inside it. Before using apple slices as decorations for desserts, soak them in salted water. By doing this, they won't turn brown. Here's another use for salt that you might not have known about. Salt helps dark clothes retain their colors so they don't fade in the wash. Coffee stains? A mixture of salt and dishwashing liquid is what you need to make your coffee mug look as good as new again. Spotless.